Hi student, welcome back to Learn Chemistry. Remember, in the last video we have looked at mass volume and this mass. In this video we are going to look at mass volume problem. In solving for mass volume problem, you are going to be given the mass of one and you'll be asked to find the volume of another, or vice versa. You can be asked to find the volume of one and solve for the volume of for the mass of another. In this case, they give us the mass of potassium trichloride 5. They ask us to find the mass of the volume of dry oxygen. Now, this is what you do. You start with the equation. You have KClO3, which is your potassium trichloride 5, undergoes decomposition, and then it will give KCl solid plus O2 gas. Then you can have 2, and you have 3. So this is the equation like we have said in the last video. The equation first, and of course you have your 2 mole, your 2 mole, and your 3 mole. 2 mole of KClO3, 2 mole of KCl, and 3 mole of oxygen. Now you have been given mass, the mass of potassium trichloride 5. Convert it to mole by saying number of moles is equal to mass over molar mass, and that is 7.00 over molar mass of KClO3 is 122.5. So 122.5, 7 by 122.5 will give us 0.057 mole of KClO3. It will give us 0.057. Now, after getting the mole of KClO3, we can now say if 2 mole of KClO3 gives us 3 mole of O2, then you are going to have then 0.057 of the same KClO3 will give us X mole of O2. So if you cross multiply, you are going to have 0.057 times 3 over 2. 0.057 times 3 over 2, 0.086. You are going to have 0.086 mole of oxygen. 0.086 mole of oxygen. Now after that, since you have gotten the number of moles of oxygen now, then because it occurs at STP, then we can say the number of moles is equal to the volume all over molar volume at STP, which is 22.4. Then the volume will be equal to number of moles, which is 0.086 times 22.4, and it will give us times 22.4. It will give us 1.92 dm³. This is the volume of oxygen. The volume of oxygen. So for a recap, first and foremost, write out the equation and balance the equation. Then, like I've said, you are going to be given mass or volume. If you are given volume, the first thing for you to do is also to convert it to mass. I will show you that in subsequent videos. So in this case, you are given mass. Convert the mass to mole by saying mass over molar mass. You get the mole. Then the mole that you get, the next step is to relate them by saying 2 mole produces 3 mole. Then 0.057 will produce X mole. That will be 0.086 mole of O2. Then convert this mole to volume by saying volume is equal to number of moles times molar volume at STP, and it will give us 1.92 dm³. That's how to solve a mass volume problem. They can take other questions as related and solve accordingly. Continue to learn chemistry with Emerald. Bye bye.